Hi there, today I will show you how I serve a Robo JetFloss cotton candy machine. First, the installation preparation. All we need it is the machine by itself. Today I will use RoboLabs Air Pro. Then, of course, for sure you will need some trash bag, trash water bag. Also we need sugar. It is concentrate. This is vertical cotton candy machine, so it allows you to make huge cotton candy. So to show how big cotton candy you can do, we use these gigantic plastic sticks. We put it in the water. Also we need some cord. I use this type because I can plug not only the machine but also some music, some lighters. You can put your company name here, so everyone know your Instagram hashtag, or you can put some your business cards here, so everyone will know how to order you on a private party, something like that. Also, I use regular cane sugar from the Walmart. So to put this sugar inside this bottle, I use this device. It's really helpful, save time. To be very clear, I use gloves and I use wet tissue. Mostly it's not for me, it's for kids. Customers like when you fix all problems and they pay money for it. Okay, this is my business cards, the music, it really helps. This brush is for cleaning the bowl in the end of the day. This cup is for cleaning, and the best thing, metal brush. You just switch it and clean it very fast. Also, if you have some sugar on a stator, you can just clean it and the airflow will take away all small pieces of sugar. Really cool metal brush. In the beginning we have to adjust these two silicone rings. We can control the airflow, so if you wanna make the airflow stronger, so cotton candy floss will fly higher, you can open it more. If you make airflow not very strong, for example, you're working in the inside and the roof is not very high, yeah, you can close it a little bit more, so it will be not very strong. Then another silicone color. And after this, almost done. So this silicone color, it's avoid the sugar going down on a machine, so it's easier to clean. Also, it avoids vibration. I mean, when it works, the metal part do not touch the plastic part, so it works much more stable. After this, we just take sugar, put inside, I turn off the head so the sugar goes inside more stable. I rotate it, and after this, when you start your operating process, it vibrates much less. Ready to go! Alright, we begin the process. All we need, just switch on the motor. So you see the spinning hands spinning. Cover it with the no-snow tool. Switch on the heater. I put about 80 volts and wait about 20 seconds. First time when we start the operating process, it takes time because we have to melt sugar, and it's about 1 pound of sugar. in the spinning head quite a big amount, so they have some inertia. You can melt it really fast, I mean in 5 seconds. In this case, go metal machine better, because they start to melt sugar just immediately. But they got ribbon, and we have the tubular hidden element. So first time it takes time, but after this you don't have to wait long, because your spinning head's still hot, still warm, and it takes much less time to melt the sugar. Yeah, so the sugar goes. I took my hands off the fast start button. First few seconds it can be some sugar snow, so I took my no snow tool. I waited about 10 to 50 seconds. When I feel that this is no snow, I just can spinning. I spin my stick very fast and I move slowly forward and back. When I make the base about 6 inches in diameter, we're ready to make the show. Yeah, you see? It follow you. We can adjust the airflow after first time, because you see now it's quite strong, but it's up to you. If you want to make show, no problem, you can make it stronger. When you feel that cotton candy is ready, turn off the heater, wait about 10-15 seconds, because it still gums sugar, then cover it and ready. How do you think about this machine?
It's really great. I like how it goes up to the sky. It's really entertaining. I can see the person's value for it.
Yeah, thank you. You're welcome. Okay, and now few words about fast cleaning. When you feel that your machine is quite dirty, just take this wonderful metal brush and we take all sugar down. Also, sometimes there is issue when sugar doesn't fly, but it stands here, and it's just what you should do. Turn on this machine, take out the keys and clean it with the metal brush. Switch on the machine and push a little bit. This metal brush will clean the sides. They will be out of sugar. So after this, machine will work much better and much cleaner, and the airflow becomes very stable. For example, when customers make mistake and the sugar still hot, I mean, you work with the machine, you turn off the heater and immediately turn off the engine. The sugar inside still melts and the spinning head is quite hot, and that's why some caramel sticks here. And when the caramel sticks here, it becomes sticky and sugar cannot fly. So that's why we clean it with the metal brush if you make mistake. So do not make mistakes. Gives 5 to 7 minutes to cool the spinning head, but if you did mistake, just clean it with the metal brush and it will be okay. I hope it was useful for you. After you finish your work, never stop machine immediately. I mean, never stop the engine. Yeah, we turn off the heater element, but engine, it must work about 5 or 7 minutes, because the tubular hidden element still hot, and when you will stop it immediately, where hot will goes, it will melt the sugar, it becomes the caramel, and it will be close the small cuts where the sugar goes by the sides. So please do not stop the engine immediately. Take about 5 to 7 minutes, and after this you can stop engine. If you have another one customers, no problem. You do not stop the engine, you just press the heater again and you repeat the operation, and in the end, okay, again you give about 5 to 7 minutes to cool the spinning head. So for this reason engine still works. I hope now you know more about cotton candy machine RoboJetFloss, and you will make some extra money and you will be successful, and every wedding party, every kid's birthday, they will be crazy. Then you will make the show.